Hello there! Today we're going to demonstrate how to set up a bundle flow upsell button on a product page using Easy Bundles. Firstly, let's look at the bundle you've set up. As you can see, there are various bundles available. What you need to do is click on Edit. Once you've clicked on Edit, you'll see an option called Publish Bundle. In Publish Bundle, you'll find an option for Bundle Upsell. What this feature does is allow you to set up an additional CPA on the product page, which will redirect to the bundle you've created. To activate this feature, simply enable the toggle here. If you want to enable the Bundle Upsell button on all of the products that are part of the bundle you've selected, then choose All Products in Bundle. However, if you want to display the button on specific products or collections not part of the bundle flow, you can select those products or collections from here. Once you've made your selection, as you can see, a Bundle Upsell button will appear on the product page. When clicked, it will redirect you to the specific bundle. If for some reason the Bundle Upsell button isn't visible, simply go to Easy Bundles. Inside Themes, you'll find an Ad Block option. In Ad Block, we have Easy Bundle Upsell. Simply click on that upsell block and drag and drop it wherever you'd like it to be on your page, be it below the buttons or the Add to Cart option. Please note, these options should only be used if the button isn't appearing normally. I hope this information has been helpful. Thank you so much.